Hello students, a warm welcome to the grammar classes of Vidya Bhavan School. So before starting the topic, I would like to read out a thought of the day. It's written in the cloud, that is, teachers open the door. Teachers will help to open only the door, means teacher whatever they teach, that is just like opening the door. But you have to work hard, students. So, but you must enter yourself. So, you have to enter the door yourself. So, it means that you have to work hard and you, whatever you have learned, you have to make them in practice and you have to work yourself towards the success. So, this is the thought of the day and today's subject English grammar. So, topic determiners for class 8th, 9th and 10th. In last two videos, we read about the introduction of determiners in that kinds, and we already in the second video started the articles. In that we read about an and the, use of an and the. So today further we will move towards in the third video, means it is the third part. So it is the third part and today we will move towards the demonstrative, that is the second kind of determiners. So demonstratives, I have already highlighted this, these, that and those. These four words comes under the demonstrative determiners. So you may get confused because already in your class as a pronouns, ma'am has already taught these words as demonstrative pronouns and also I have mentioned it on the board. You can see demonstrative pronouns are also used as determiners. Yes, my dear students, the same words sometimes play a different role. So here the demonstrative pronouns, they play the role of determiners when they are placed just before the noun. So definition we have read about the determiners, that the words whichever they are placed just before the nouns, they are called as determiners. So whenever these demonstrative pronouns when they are placed just before the noun, यानी noun से just पहले जब उसको हम लिखते हैं या उसको यूज करते हैं, तो उन demonstrative pronouns को यहाँ पे हम क्या कह के बुलाएंगे? Yes, we will call them as the demonstratives या determiners. Okay students, the concept is clear I think. How this, these, that and those are also the determiners, यानी usually वो कहीं पे भी place हो जाता है. This, for example, this is my cat. So here this is used. This is my cat, means for cat we have used the pronoun this. Okay students, so here we can say this is a demonstrative pronoun, but helping verb is there and it is placed just before the helping verb. The second sentence with the same meaning. This cat is mine. So here you can see the noun, the use of noun. So where the use of demonstrative pronoun is done just before the noun. In such cases, this here, instead of calling it as the demonstrative pronoun, we will say it as, or we will identify it as an determiner. Okay students, the concept is clear I think. So this, these, that and those are the four demonstrative determiners and they are used to point out the noun. So this we read during the pronouns. So these are used to point out the nouns always. This, these, this and these. We use these two words when the nouns, whenever the items, the nouns, they are near to us, just near to us, and that situation or in that case, this and these are used. That and those, they are used for the far away nouns. The noun whichever, the thing, the place, the person, whichever it is very far away or far from with quite distance, थोड़ा दूरी पे है, तो at that situation we use that and those. And again this and that they are used with the singular noun. Singular noun जब noun एक होता है, boy हो, pen हो, place हो, जब एक ही होगा तो उसके लिए हम this and that का use करेंगे. And whenever the noun it is plural in number, at that situation we will use these and those. I think with this example I'll make this concept clear. Let us move towards the example. So the first example it is, give this gift to Raj. यहाँ पे बोला गया है give this gift. So noun singular है and it is just near to us, so we have used this. अगर ये gift दूर रखा हुआ होता तो यहाँ पे instead of making the use of this we would have used that. Give that gift to Raj. इस वे में हम this के बदले में that का use करते हैं. और यहाँ पे noun जो है वो singular in number है. If I change it as the plural, here it will be give these gifts to Raj. Okay, for plural nouns I'll use here, instead of this I'll use these. So give these gifts to Raj. अगर यही gifts जो है वो दूर होते तो give those gifts to Raj. In this way we make the use of this, these, that and those. Again the second example, those teachers were not present in the meeting. The teachers who are sitting outside, not in the meeting hall, so we are mentioning them, saying that those teachers they were not present in the meeting. So whoever are sitting in the meeting hall just before me, only they were present. So those teachers were not, to point out the far away items we use those. So those teachers were not present in the meeting. In the same way these pens are mine. मेरे पास जो पड़ी है pens है वो नंबर कैसे है, more than 1 है, तो उस सिचुएशन में मैं क्या करूंगी, यहाँ पे these pens का यूज करूंगी, these का यूज करूंगी, these pens are mine. अगर ये कि ये दूर होती pens तो I would have used those pens are mine. Then last but not least the demonstrative, this cycle is better than that cycle. यहाँ पे this का भी यूज हुआ है और that का भी यूज हुआ है. मीन्स एक साइकिल हमारे नजदीक है और एक साइकिल हमारे से बहुत दूर है या कुछ डिस्टेंस पे है. सो दिस साइकिल इज बेटर देन दैट साइकिल, विच एवर इट मे बी. फार अवे मीन्स नजरों के सामने जरूरी नहीं है, कहीं पे भी मीन्स दैट, बैक, इन past also we can use. So this cycle is better than that cycle. So the concept is clear. Further we will move towards the possessive. If you feel any doubt you can just inquire on my personal number. So possessives we will see. The possessive adjectives are determiners which show that something belongs to someone. इसको हम adjectives में use करते हैं. कौन कौन से हैं? Mine, your, his, her, its, our and their. They are mainly the possessive adjectives, my dear students. So these possessive adjectives are determiners. They also play the role of determiners which show that something belongs to someone. जब कोई चीज, कोई वस्तु, कोई जगह किसी से बिलोंग करती हो, उस चीज को दिखाने के लिए जिन शब्दों का हम उपयोग करते हैं, the words whichever we use to show that something belongs to someone, those words always are said to be the possessives here. Okay, they are used to show possession, ownership या फिर relation. Relation here one more word we can use. So these are used to show the possession, यानी ownership दिखाता है उस शब्द का, उस noun का. जैसे कि noun cat है तो वो cat किससे belong करता है, उस cat का owner कौन है, उसके possession वो किसको belong करता है, वो show करने के लिए जब हम किसी शब्द का उपयोग करते हैं, whatever the words we use to show the belongingness of the cat, the noun, those words are called as the possessives here. And the good words they are my, your, his, her, its, our and their. So further इसको जानने के लिए let us move towards the examples. So the first example, Rohan's mother came to my house. So dear students, my का उपयोग किया है. Where we have used just before the house. Then this is the place. The name of a place and a noun. Noun से पहले my का यूज हुआ है. Means ये relation show कर रहा है ये घर किसका है? मेरा है. My house it is. So Rohan's mother came to my house. In this way I am showing the possession of the house to the speaker. The tree shed its leaves. अब ये leaves किसके है? Its है, यानी किसके? Tree के. So ये show करता है. Its means trees. So this is also a determiner. Share your notes with weak students. So notes या notebook हम कह सकते हैं, उसको शेयर करना है, यानी किसी को लिखने के लिए हेल्प करना है. तो this notes it is a noun and your the relationship it is showing of the notes with the determiner. Then Mr. Singh is our class teacher. तो ये हमारा प्लूरल में आ गया है और क्लास टीचर है. क्लास टीचर तो है, ये नाउन है, लेकिन ये किसके क्लास टीचर है? ये हमारे क्लास टीचर है. तो यहाँ पे ये सारे शब्द जो है इन नाउन्स, जो हाउस नाउन है, लीव्स नाउन है, नोट्स नाउन है, क्लास टीचर नाउन है, इनसे इनका रिलेशन दिखा रहा है. ऐसे शब्द, दिस टाइप ऑफ वर्ड्स वी यूज एज द possessives. And further 3 more we will see in the next class. I hope you all understood. So copy down